Pairing a Bluetooth phone. To pair a phone and its contacts from your system, make sure the vehicle power is on. Press Menu. Select Setup. And then Bluetooth in the submenu to the left. If there is no phone paired, the system will ask to add one now. Select Yes or No, and you can add a new device later. On a compatible device, go to Settings, and then Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on, and select the vehicle name you'd like to pair with. Some devices may pair automatically or show the PIN displayed on the multimedia screen. Select Pair on the confirmation screen. Remember, when adding a Bluetooth phone from the system, the contact data will be added at the same time. Allow or don't allow. The system will ask permissions to communicate with Lexus Inform. Allow or ignore. If Lexus Inform App Suite 2.0 is downloaded on your device, the system may ask if you'd like to update it now or later. Download speed will depend on the strength of your cellular connection. When finished, select Install, and then Continue. You can also install in background. Once complete, you'll be able to access the apps from the multimedia system. Selecting the menu button will return you to the main menu.
Rocking and a rolling, wheeling and a dealing at keys on that ice.